Welcome to day 6. I just woke up and went in the reception. I went a little bit on YouTube, watched some videos, and kind of like relaxed a little bit. I just wanted to have like a little relaxing morning. I like to start the mornings a little bit more relaxing, not just like straight to the pool. So I went in the reception, watched some videos, because I just can't, my day is not complete if I don't watch a few videos. And then I came back and now we're going to eat breakfast. So now we're going to eat and I'll see you at the pool. Just got back in the room. Now we are going to eat lunch and then we're gonna, I'm gonna stay a little bit in the reception on YouTube. Then we are going to sleep because we plan on going to beach once again, and it's pretty tiring going there. I mean, you are swimming way more than I'm swimming in the pool, and also there is so much sun there. There are not many like umbrellas, you have to pay for them and stuff like that, but it's so windy that you can feel the sun, but it's there, so it's double as tiring. And I have to sleep. I love sleeping, and it's, for me, it's pretty tiring, so I gotta sleep. And yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing. Definitely today the waves are bigger. Oh my god. Hi guys, so we came back in the room. We had such an awesome day. I got an awesome tan, because on the beach you can't really tell the heat because of the waves and everything, and I got a really nice tan. Anyway, we went a little bit shopping because here it's very popular, like roses, creams, and like lip balms and everything rose, like with rose oils and stuff like that. So we got some stuff, and I first got a argan oil and olive hair mask. I love this stuff. You could literally eat this. I would eat it. It does smell awesomely. And as I said, this is a hair mask, a nourishing and moisturizing hair mask. Then I got 2 body creams. These were supposed to be really good. They have some rose oils and stuff. They also smell really nice. Then I got myself a lip balm because I tried it and it smelled really nice. So I got this one. And we also got a body butter. This is with wild rose. Oh my god, this one smells absolutely incredible. Like, they have really good smelling, and I wanted to get it, so I got it. So that was pretty much what we got, and now I just got out of the shower and we're going in the reception. I am going to wrap it up now. I'm going to sleep. I hope you enjoyed the 6th day here. Tomorrow is gonna be our last full day and then we're leaving. So sad. I don't want to leave. I love it here. It's so relaxing and beautiful and perfect. So I don't want to leave, but tomorrow is gonna be our last full day. We're gonna enjoy it. So thank you so much for watching today's vlog, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.